Hello everyone, good morning to you all. My name is Philandar Bukma and I'm the third batch of assistant electricians. So I'm here today to share with you of my success story as I have completed my course in 3 months. So first of all, before joining this training, I don't have any knowledge or skill. But I'm looking forward for the session to cover a real life example and hands-on activities. And when I talk about my experience during the training over here, it's been positive so far. So the content is relevant and well structured. The trainers were knowledgeable, supportive, and encouraging, and clearly explained the concept. So I appreciate the interactive elements such as theory class, practical class, which help in better understanding. So my batchmates also they were friendly, supportive, and as we work together, learn together from each other experience. So in my opinions, Krita Solution Training Academy and Skill Mekhalia have been provided me with the platforms to acquire new skill and knowledge and enhance my employability. And last, my voice to the other, to those who are considering for joining this training. I will highly recommend that you all to choose Krita Solution Training Academy and Skill Mekhalia, as if you are eager to learn and grow for becoming the best assistant electricians. Here, within 3 months, you will be able to get an excellent knowledge and learning experience. So that's all from my side. Thank you.